Episode 28, Xavier's Missionary Legacy in China. Hello everyone. In this episode, we explore St Francis Xavier's visionary plans for China and their profound influence on later Christian missions in the country. Xavier's work and vision left a lasting legacy within the context of modern Christianity in China. Xavier's plans for China. St. Francis Xavier had ambitious plans to bring Christianity to China. His desire to spread the Christian faith to this vast and culturally rich country was a significant part of his mission vision. Vision for Christian missions in China. Xavier envisioned a missionary strategy in China that aimed to introduce Christianity to the local population and establish a Christian presence that respected and resonated with the Chinese cultural context. Influence on later Christian missions in China. Xavier's plans for China laid the groundwork for later Christian missions in the country. His vision influenced and inspired subsequent missionary endeavors in China. Legacy of Xavier's vision and work in China. The legacy of Xavier's vision and work in China remains an integral part of the history of Christian missions in the country. His early efforts set the stage for the growth of Christianity in China. Cultural sensitivity and adaptation in mission work. Xavier's vision emphasized cultural sensitivity and adaptation. He recognized the importance of understanding and respecting the local culture, which has been an enduring aspect of successful Christian missions in China. Integration of Christian values in Chinese context. Xavier's vision sought to integrate Christian values within the Chinese context. This approach contributed to the development of a form of Christianity that resonated with the Chinese cultural landscape. Enduring Christian communities in China. Xavier's early groundwork for Christian missions laid the foundation for enduring Christian communities in China. His vision played a pivotal role in establishing a Christian presence that continues to thrive in the country. Modern context of Christianity in China. In the modern context, Xavier's early efforts and vision are reflected in the ongoing growth and presence of Christianity in China. His influence remains part of the history and legacy of the Christian faith in the country. St. Francis Xavier's missionary legacy in China, with his visionary plans and early work, set the stage for the growth and enduring presence of Christianity in the country. His vision and approach continue to be a significant part of the history and evolution of Christianity in modern China. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's influence in shaping the early Christian missions in China remains an important part of the ongoing story of Christianity in the country.